welcome back. It is DIY Wednesday. Today we are going to be making some mason jar bathroom holders for stuff. So a few things you are going to need is I found this foam glitter stuff, of course scissors to cut out some pieces for the holder, and just nice decoration for the top part of it. You're gonna need your paint. I'm gonna use white. You're gonna need sandpaper, your glue gun, hot glue gun, a marker, cheap kind of, I guess you can say, soap dispenser, and a few different sizes of mason jars. I got a bigger one and then a lot of the little ones. And then, of course, can't forget about the paint brushes. Okay, so I'm going to start by painting the mason jars. I'm going to keep them upside down just so where I can paint them a lot easier. I'm painting 3 of the smaller ones and 1 of the bigger ones. So I'm going to go ahead and paint that, and then I'm actually going to cut out my pieces for the top part of the holders for the toothbrush holder, and then try and cut this out to a perfect good measurement, and then put some of the glitter foam paper around it to make it look really pretty. Here we go. Okay, so I totally forgot to mention, I got all of the supplies that I really needed all from Target. So it's super easy, super convenient, so you can get everything. Target's kind of like my go-to place for a lot of stuff, and it's literally down the street. I can get there in like 5 minutes. So yeah, and then I also wanted to please ask if you can like and subscribe this video and share it with your friends. Thank you. I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kind of crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do next is hot glue gun the inside of the toothbrush holder one, and then I actually made the round part to kind of fit around the dispenser as well, and I'm going to stick it on top of the metal piece so I can stick the metal piece inside, and it'll kind of hold the toothbrush. I know that's so bad, but the glitter foam piece will cover it and make it look nice. So I'll go ahead and show you what that looks like. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Alrighty guys, so I finished making the lids. I'm going to make this one, just leave it empty, because I'm going to use the cotton ball and I can't figure it out, the Q-tips, so they can stick out of the top of this one. I did this one, and it has an X in it, as you can see, for the tissue, so we can pull the tissue out. And then, of course, the toothbrush holder and the soap dispenser lid. So I'm just gonna wait for the mason jars to finish drying, and then I will show you guys how to sand them down to kind of make them rustic looking. And then I will put the lids on, and they should be all ready to go. Thanks. Hey guys, so the jars are done drying. They look pretty, but they are really solid white. So I am going to make it look rusticy now. I'm actually going to start sanding them down. I'm going to show you a little bit like this, and then I will finish it later. We'll finish it a little bit faster mode. So just going to kind of grab the sandpaper however feels comfortable. I'm just going to stick my finger in there and then literally just kind of rub up against the paint in different areas. Kind of make it unique in a way. And see how it's already making it look kind of rusticy. I don't know if you can tell. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk. It feels like I'm drunk, I'm drunk. Living in love. this way so it makes it have that kind of rustic look. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest when I be able to get the tissues out. So I'm going to kind of pull this top one up a little bit. That's going to be in the middle to kind of help me pull it up. I'm just going to fold this and kind of roll it a little bit to where it'll fit in there, but then it can expand once it's inside the mason jar. And then I'm going to kind of tug on that one. See. And then I'm going to put the cap on and put it through the lovely fancy X that I made. Just screw this on and voila, there's your tissue one. So the tissue one's done. I'm going to put some soap in this one. This is going to be the soap dispenser. So I've got my little soft soap antibacterial. Just go ahead and squeeze it in here. Oh, funny noise. Got that soap out of there. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the dispenser part on. And just screw this lid on. There we go, there's our dispenser. Let's see, I'm gonna see if this works. Pump it out. And it works! Okay, so we have our tissue, our soap dispenser, and now I'm gonna go ahead and just screw on the lid for the toothbrush holder. And with the toothbrush holder, I'm going to put the kids' toothbrushes, one in each hole. So there is our lovely toothbrush holder. And I like doing the circles, like the separate circles too, so that way none of the toothbrushes touch each other, because I think that's kind of disgusting. So there's that. And then the last one is going to be for the cotton swabs and the Q-tips. So I'm going to put a few cotton balls on the bottom, probably halfway, if not maybe a little bit more than halfway, and kind of just stuff them in there, push them down, because I'm going to put the Q-tips. Try and make this as nice as possible. Might do a little bit more. And add these. And just kind of set them in here. And twist them. Might have to add a little bit more. That is okay. And there is that. And you can put the lid around it. Maybe I should have done that first. Yeah, maybe I should have done that first. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to put the cotton swabs back down and screw on the lid. Screw on the lid. And then put the cotton and the cotton swabs in. Alrighty. And then we are all set. So this is the final product. Hey guys, so we just finished our final finale and finished all of it. A lot of the stuff, I will post the materials and the description of how exactly I made it step by step on my website, which should be down in the description. And then, yeah, I'll kind of tell you exactly what I did to make it, how it made it, how much time it took to make it, and just kind of a step by step, I guess, guide. It was super easy, super fast, a lot of fun to make, and I will be putting and posting pictures as well. So don't forget, again, if you can, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we will see what's in store for Friday cooking day. Just say the word.